Yeah, online students, can you hear me? Ah, so what we are discussing last class? So we have completed 2 sessions. I don't want to call it as a demos, stupid word. My voice is very poor. Why poor? How can I make it intelligent? Prashant, what's his name? Prashant Nani. How can I make voice intelligent to your side? Ah, so first class what we discussed about you, right? We discussed about you, what you want to become. So you all people came here for just learning Java and to become Java student, Java knowledge person. I changed your mind to become software engineer for learning project development. So what is our course? Our course is not just Core.Java. Our course is what? Project development by using Java. Okay. Because I am in this particular sessions, we are learning only Core.Java. That's why I named it as what? Core.Java with project development. Okay. Then, if you are facing any voice problem, rejoin the class. Problem will be solved. Okay, na? Nishant, rejoin class. Okay. Then next, yesterday class, we started our course. First day, just I explain you what is what. That's it. Just introduction to your. Okay. Yesterday, we started our class, Core.Java with project development. I am not just teaching you Core.Java with project development. I am also covering something called what? OCJD. What is the meaning of OCJD? What is the meaning of OCJD? OCJD means Oracle Certified Developer. Okay, na? OCJD full form is Oracle Certified Java Developer. Okay, you know, Oracle company is conducting one exam on Core Java. Oracle Corporation is conducting one exam. That exam name is OCJD, Oracle Certified Java Developer. Okay, I am covering the questions at OCJD level also. I am covering Core Java at programs level, interview level, project development level. Also, I am covering questions. Also, I'm covering the subject up to Oracle certification level. Any of you are interested to write white t-shirt? Array, white t-shirt. What are you doing? I am talking now. How dare you to talk? Yesterday you were now one for talking. I asked you to come front chair. Who is that? He is only the one. That student came out today. No? Is there? Okay. Okay, please concentrate, Nana. Please listen. Don't disturb class. Okay, na? Lion t-shirt. Lion or cat? T-shirt symbols what? Pune na? Sorry, Puma na? Hey, brother. Okay. Listen, class. Huh? Don't disturb others. Okay. Raja Reddy. Rejoin. Online students, can you hear me all correctly? Anybody facing voice problem? Some people are saying voice problem, voice problem. Okay, chalo. Now, what I told? So we are learning Core Java with project development. This is actually, I promised, in addition, actually you joined for what? Core Java. So the 2,500 fees you are paying for what? Core Java to complete in 40 days or 45 days. But this knowledge is not sufficient to pass the interviews. Further, I have to cover something more for my satisfaction. Okay, na? Core Java subject 2,500 is your satisfaction and management satisfaction. Yes or no? For my satisfaction, for my job satisfaction, I am covering more. Okay, project development also I am teaching, OCJD is also teaching, and what, JVM architecture also I am teaching. So after these topics completed, you can claim yourself you are a 100% core Java knowledge person, can develop any code in the company. Okay, now let me try to tell to the new students, these people are creating all. Red color, okay, danger. Then bold, yes. Okay. Then now next, what we started last class. So we have started complete Java details. I am trying to give the target of complete Java details, making you realize what is there in Java, what you can do by using Java. That is the target of yesterday class. So people who have missed yesterday class, please try to listen carefully. You will connect to the today class. So first I covered what is Java. Java is a programming language. What type of programming language? Object oriented programming language. What type of object oriented? Platform independent. So it means, what the meaning of platform independent? It means a Java program can be executed under any operating system or by any operating system. Okay. So once you develop a program, once you develop a Java program, that Java program can be executed by using any OS, by using any OS, maybe Windows, maybe Linux, maybe Mac OS, any of the 3 operating systems you can use. That's why Java is called what? Platform independent. Then do you have any platform dependent programming languages? Yes, you have C and C++. C and C++ programs are what? Platform dependent programs. Means the once you develop program by using one operating system, you cannot execute that program in different operating system. Okay, next. Why Java invented? For achieving platform independency. Why CNC, when CNC++ doesn't require platform independency, why Java required platform independency? For developing internet applications. Okay, now Java is mainly the target of Java is developing business application. Now the business must access throughout the world. Then only we can have good amount of money we can generate from the business. For example, I have a one shop. Okay, I have one shop. This is a mobile recharge shop is there. Now this mobile recharge shop, now when the people can come to my shop only next day morning time, 11 to around 10 people can come to my shop and they can buy the vouchers and then they can recharge their mobile. Now generally people are talking night time because the time is free, na? Okay, for example, you have a lover, you are talking to your lover, talking, balance gone. Then tell me, next day morning, up to 11 o'clock, you have to wait to recharge. Next day, when you, after recharging, if you call to your lover, then started scolding you like anything. Stupid fellow, don't you have common sense? Not you, are you not responsible? Irresponsible idiot. You don't have minimum balance also not maintaining. How can you take care of, our entire life? Get out, break up. Right? So that's why, to solve this problem, actually, Paytm has understood the problems of lovers. That's why Paytm software came into market. Right? Paytm, Mobile Wiki, these softwares are providing online recharge option. Even midnight, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock also, you can happily recharge and continue talking. That's all because of what? Internet application Java. If Java is not there, then your lovers would have a lot of problems. Am I right? Then now question, what is the business means? A business is nothing but money transactions, only buying and selling. Now if the Paytm in Noida, Paytm is Noida company, I guess, right? So if only in Noida the shop is there, people are going to only that shop and then only buying the vouchers there, then is his business is more or less? Less. By using this software, what? Paytm.com business application, internet application. Now throughout the India, people are recharging, right? mobile wiki or phone pay or different applications came into the market for recharge operation. So business applications, if you take as a standalone application, what is the problem? Only that particular area customers only we can provide our business. If I make my business application as internet, throughout the world people can access. If you wanted to access this Paytm application in different computers, different laptops, Paytm software is developed where in one computer, server computer, whose operating system will be what? Linux. Generally, server computers will be what? Linux. Then here we have Paytm project. Now, you wanted to access this project from your laptop. You open your laptop is connected to what? Network. And this computer, server computer is also connected to the network. Then from your mobile, you want to access the Paytm. Then the Paytm project is downloaded into your computer and it should be executed by your operating system. What is the operating system in the server computer? Linux. What is the operating system in your computer? Windows. Then the Linux program should download executing the Windows operating system. Then what feature this program should have? Platform independency. समझ में आया? So why Java required platform independency? Java target is developing internet application. Internet application means the program we have in one computer with under one operating system must able to download execute in another computer in under another operating system. For that purpose, what feature is required? Platform independency. The existing languages are what? C and C++. The C and C++ program C and C++ programs cannot support what? Internet application because they are platform dependent. Then immediately you may get a question, sir, whatever the features, whatever the things are added in Java language to achieve platform independency, why can't the same concepts are added to C and C++? That we'll discuss in the next week. Okay, now, so why C and C++ cannot change to support what? Platform independency. Why Java altogether new language is developed? That we will discuss in the next week. It's almost 2.5 hours discussion required. I don't want to deviate the discussion here. Okay. Then next. Now, what is the final conclusion? Why Java? Why Java is invented? Java is invented for achieving platform independency. Why Java required platform independency? For developing internet applications. Okay. Who invented Java? James Cosley in Sun Microsystems. Okay, prerequisites to learn Java. There are no prerequisites to learn Java. C and C++ programming knowledge is not required. Many non-IT background students got influenced by your college lecturers and by your seniors. C++ very important, not required. Before C language, we didn't learn anything. As C we have learned as a first language. Then why can't we learn Java as our first language? Possible. Okay, we can start Java as our first programming language. Just to ask a question. Did you learn your native language directly? Did you learn any other language than you learn your native language? Hindi, Telugu, Odia, Marathi, right? These your native languages you learn directly or not? Before this language, what language you learn? Before your native language, what language you learn? Baba language, no? That Baba language is reply in the class. So if you want to learn Java as your first language, it is possible. But what you have to do? You have to speak in the class slowly. That Baba you have to tell. Ready? Okay. One minute, online students. Okay, then come back. So now the Java language, if you want as a first language, it is possible, but only one thing you have to know. What is that? You have to slowly reply along with me. In your childhood, when you born and grown up, when your parents are decided to make you to speak, then keep on saying, bolo amma, right? Nana, start with attana first, right? Atta, like now slowly one word, dada, dadi, okay, nana, nani, some words are to keep on telling. Then you started along with your mother, along with your father, while you are playing with all the toys, mama, right? So slowly you are looking and started talking. Same way you have to start, reply along with me. Please habituate, don't sit silently. To continue programming any programming language, basic mathematical calculation knowledge is required. How much calculation knowledge required? Just fifth standard mathematics. If you have Java, you can continue. Okay. Meaning of prerequisites. Babu, which country you are from? Shiba Prasad, are you from India or abroad? Odisha, na? Okay. What is your qualification? What are you studying? BTech. Sandhya, you know, +2, intermediate. Okay. Prerequisites means, do you need any, before Java learning, do you need any programming knowledge? Are you catching my point? Shiva Prasad, tell me, if you want to go to travel by a bus, what the prerequisite? Ticket. You should buy a ticket. Like that, if you want to learn Java, are there any prerequisite knowledge you required? What the answer? No. Understood, Shiva Prasad? Okay, right. And then come back. So then last class I have concluded what is that? What are the different types of applications we can develop by using Java? So this is what yesterday class main story. Okay, the main story of yesterday class discussion, the main agenda of yesterday class discussion is giving you conclusion on different types of applications we can develop by using Java. Using Java, we can develop so many different types of application. All applications are comes under this group of list only. Okay, na? Right. What the list of applications we have learned? Desktop application, web applications, enterprise applications, interoperable, distributed applications, mobile applications, embedded applications. To develop these applications, Java has provided different concepts, and those concepts are grouped into how many parts? 4 parts. Each part is technically called what? Edition. What is the first edition name? Java SE, Java EE, Java ME, Java FX. What is the full form of Java SE? Java Platform. Java Platform Standard Edition. What a standard edition. Don't write. Listen. Java EE. What is the meaning of Java EE? Java Platform. Java Platform Enterprise Edition. Java Platform. ME stands for Mobile Edition or Micro Edition? Micro Edition. Some people are saying Mobile Edition. Other people are saying it may be Mobile Edition. This may be Micro Edition. Is Java developed by you, Rabai? As if they developed Java, as if they invented Java, they're giving the statements and confusing the market. So M stands for what? Micro. Micro means a small application, chip applications. Okay, na? Small chip level applications you are developing, then this called what? Micro. And then Java FX stands for what? Shyam Pasi. You can speak by typing, okay? How you are speaking, you know, same way you can speak, okay? Yeah. Then Java FX. Look at there. SE capital letter, EE capital letters, ME capital letters. But FX, have you written small FE? Have you written yesterday these notes? No, right? I think I said don't write, right? Right. I will dictate the notes today. Tell me, this FX, observe, this is what? Small characters, small letters I have written. Why? There is no abbreviation for FX. SE Standard Edition, EE Enterprise Edition, ME Micro Edition. Then FX, there is no abbreviation. Java FX is meant for developing fully rich graphical user interface application. That means I need to add more effects to the user interface. What do you want to add? More effects. How can I add more effects? Animations, images, graphics. Now, effects stands for, pronounce effects. Pronounce 5 times fast. What is coming pronunciation out? FX. That's why they're taken as what? FX. Hope you understand. Right. FX is meant for is nothing but what? Effects. Okay, fine. So now let's start right yesterday class. Why you people are worrying about fees or fees? I will ask you to pay fees. Don't worry, Rabbi. Admin will worry about the fees. Management will worry about the fees. Why you are worrying about the fees? You have that much money in your pocket, flowing out, Ankit Kumar. Okay. Then listen class, Bhaiya. I'm not asking any fees, right? Listen class and learn. Come on, write down yesterday class continuation. People who have missed yesterday class, leave first one page. How many pages took? One page. One side. One side or two sides? Okay. Leave one complete page and write down continuation. Different concepts exist in Java to develop above. Okay, do one thing. New students who joined today, start writing from here. 5th point, leave one page completely and write what are the different types of applications we can develop by using Java. New students, write, don't write again. People who attended yesterday class, don't write again. What are the different types of applications we can develop by using Java? I said tomorrow onwards, don't sit next to your friends. Seriously, I'm telling. You are not only disturbing your friend, you are disturbing other people also by talking with your friends. And it irritates me and I will punish you. Unnecessary problems will come. Okay, na? So tomorrow onwards at any cost, sit next to unknown person. Ask your friend to sit in another corner. You sit in opposite corner. Minimum 3-4 rows distance must be there. Even though 3-4 rows distance, whenever you want to talk, you will look, okay. Yeah, fellows. So don't disturb class, please. Write down new students. Desktop application, web application. I'll explain you all these applications, meaning, architecture, everything. Now, continuation, write down 6 point. For developing all above applications. Can you write like this? Sorry. Java supports. 1 minute. Java has concepts to develop all above applications. Please stop asking all stupid questions, online students. Please concentrate on what you want to learn today. You join to the class to learn something. Concentrate. All your questions you can post end of the class. Different concepts exist in Java to develop above applications. Java has concepts to develop all above applications. All concepts are divided into 4 editions. Editions is nothing but division only. 4 editions. Why? For easily downloading and using. Okay, now all concepts are divided into 4 editions for easily downloading and using. They are. They are. Yeah. They are. Number one. Listen, 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 listen. J2SE. Okay. I want to give complete details. Okay. J2SE. J2EE. J2ME. Okay. Later, these names are changed as Java SE. Okay. Java EE and Java ME. This two in middle you have two na. This number two is confusing the people. That's why later on Java people has removed that two. In the beginning days, we have only three editions. What the three editions? J2SE, J2E, J2ME. We don't have Java FX. Later versions, they have added Java FX. All the details, I'll give you points. Don't worry. Java FX. FX, right? Small letters. Online students, are you writing? Will I give soft copy or not giving soft copy? None of your business. You are not here for watching the screen. You are here for learning. Learn. Don't behave like a lazy fellow. Already online faculties after COVID started made you too much lazy, right? And even you don't have, activeness to take the bath also. Yes or no? You are become that much lazy fellow. Forget about education. You are not doing your works also. You become that much lazy. Now also you want to continue lazy, na? Change your attitude. 24/7 soft copy, soft copy, soft copy. What you are learning today? Complete Java details and project architect. Let me take it as a project architecture. You must use a technology for learning technologies, not for learning language. Language you will learn only by speaking, not by watching. Okay. So tell me now. So different concepts exist. All Java concepts. Okay, Java has concepts to develop all above applications. All concepts are divided into 4 editions for easily downloading and using. They are J2. First names are what? Initial names are what? J2SE, J2E, J2ME. Okay. Later they have changed as what? Java SE, Java EE, Java ME, and Java FX. Okay, write down. Java ME stands for J2SE stands for Java 2 Platform Standard Edition. Java 2 Platform Standard Edition. Comma. It is used. It has concepts for developing. Which type of applications? Standalone applications. Standalone applications. Let me write directly like this. Java 2 stands for Java 2 Platform Edition. It has a concept for developing standalone applications. Next point. J2EE stands for Java 2 Platform Enterprise Edition. It has concepts for developing web and enterprise applications. Better write like this: web, enterprise, and distributed. Yeah. Vinay Raju, are you intentionally sending that message or unknowingly sending? You want to continue class or you want me to remove from the class? Are you there? Are you walking on the road? Vinay Raju. J2EE stands for Java 2 Platform Enterprise Edition. It has concepts for developing web, enterprise, and distributed applications. All three applications we can develop by using Java, J2EE. Let's do a small change here. Please add this distributed here, standalone application, standalone and distributed applications. Add the word here, distributed, and add here, interoperable. Small correction. Standalone and distributed applications. J2SE stands for Java 2 Platform Standard Edition. It has concepts for developing standalone and distributed applications. J2E stands for Java 2 Platform Enterprise Edition. It has a concepts to develop web, enterprise, and interoperable applications. Okay, then next. J2ME stands for Java 2 Platform what? Micro Edition. Java 2 Platform Micro Edition. It has concepts for developing what and what? I'll tell you the difference between distributed application and interoperable application. Sai Kumar, I'll explain. It has a concepts for developing what applications? Mobile and embedded system, embedded applications. Okay, then next point, in which version the names got changed. Okay, let us try to understand that point. Next point you write. Initially, wait. Embedded means a small software that can be inserted in a chip. A small application that can be inserted in a chip and operated in an electronic machine is called embedded application. Microcontroller, blah blah, lot of things are. Come on, guys. Tell me now. Do you have these editions from the beginning version of Java? No. Java doesn't have these editions from the very beginning version 1.0. Java first version is what? 1.0. Okay. By using Java 1.0 version, we can develop only standalone applications and web supportive applications, means client side. I'll explain you all these points with the diagram. Okay, first you write it. Client side executing internet application. I mean, you missed yesterday class, right? So listen what I'm saying today. I'll give you yesterday videos. You can watch them. You will understand all points. Okay. Concentrate on today class. So tell me again. Java doesn't have these editions from the very beginning version 1.0. Java 1.0 version. By using Java 1.0 version, can we develop all above applications? No, we can develop only standalone applications, means the application that can execute only in one computer. Okay, then now from Java, next point, from Java 1.2 version onwards, Java 1.2 version onwards, we can develop complete from Java 1.2 version onwards, we can develop complete internet application. Now tell me what the meaning of internet application. Yesterday we understood. Some programs are downloading into your computer and running. Some programs are executing in server. There are two parts are there. Some programs executing in client computer. Some programs are executing in server computer. Earlier in Java 1.0 version, we don't have the programs to execute in server side. All programs are downloading into client and running in the client. From Java 1.2 version onwards, we can develop complete internet application. That means what? We can develop client side executing internet application, also what? Server side executing internet application. That means Java started supporting one more style of application called server side executing application. What application? Server side executing application. So how many internet applications are there? Two types. Number one, client side. Number two, server side. Client side executing applications development has supported from 1.0 itself. So now what type of applications we can develop in 1.0? Standalone applications and server side executing applications, small budge applications. That means only few concepts are sufficient. Then do we require any divisions? Not required. Tell me, if only boys are there in the class, do I require right side people, left side, left side? Divisions are required or not required? Not required. I throw the chair somewhere, you can sit wherever you want. So because boys, girls, their faculty, their projector, their board is there, system is there, lot of things are there. There should be a division. Are you catching my point? Right. So if you take your hostel room, if it is giving for a commercial place, then division are not required. Rooms division is not required. But if I give it for a what you call hostel, then I required rooms division. In rooms again, cot division, place division for each student separate cot. This division is required whenever it is growing more bigger. Yes or no? Right. Up to Java 1.0 version, we have concepts only what for developing small budget standalone application and what internet application downloading to the client system and running. So for that division is not required. But once server side executing applications support is given, now the Java language size become what? Bigger. Are you understanding my point? Then tell me, when it is become bigger, then as a programmer, I don't want to develop all concepts. I want to develop only standalone application. Why I required to download internet application, server side executing applications concept? Required or not required? Not required. I want to develop only internet application. Then why require standalone applications concept? That is where people started thinking. That is where Sun Microsystem started thinking, okay, some people want standalone applications development required concepts only. Some people want all concepts. Then let me make it as a division. That is where from Java 1.2 version onwards, Java concepts, Java language concepts are divided. Everyone understand? Java is actually has not given for computer applications to develop. If you listen Java history concepts, old topic, okay, as part of Java history, you learn one small point. What is I didn't teach you yet. I will teach you at this minute. I'm just giving you information. Java actually not given for developing computer application. Java has given to develop these embedded applications. Okay, na? So it is given for developing electronic device applications to develop. Network electronic device applications to develop, Java has invented. For example, you know remote? TV is there. Remote is one electronic device. TV is another electronic device. Now these two are connected with a network. Na? So some wireless connection will be created through this wireless connection. Now the both electronic devices are controlling, communicating. Next, if you take a TV setup box, okay, olden days in India we don't have this TV setups and all. Directly we have antenna connections and all. But now if you take TV setup box, TV server, TV setup box server somewhere will be there. For example, you take Tata Sky. Tata Sky, signal sending purpose server system will have one software. Now you are setting up one TV setup box in your house to your TV. That is a server TV setup box, a client TV setup box, a client. Now the server has one software, client has one software. These two are communicating via wire connection. Na? Wire wireless. Wire, then next what? That antenna wireless. Are you catching my point? So wire and wireless connections it is making. That means the two electronic devices are now connected with internet or not? Are you catching my point? In your building, if power switch off, the Tata Sky connection power switch off, then what happened? Tata connection coming or not coming? Not coming. In my apartment, in my flats, every week, at least 1 or 2 times in the group, people used to post Tata Sky not working. What happened? Okay, na? Then somebody, will go from the help desk, somebody will go and look, switch off, then switch on, then Tata Sky is working again. So tell me, these two electronic devices are connected by one software. That software development purpose Java has invented. Is this clear my point? So initially Java is invented not for computer applications to develop. Java is invented for developing what? Network consumer electronic devices application, nothing but embedded application. Later, they have done some changes in the Java language and introduced to what? Java, computer applications to develop. So from Java 1.0 version itself, we can develop applications for a computer. We can develop applications for what? Electronic devices also. But in Java 1.2 version, new application development support is started. That is called what? Server side application development. Then slowly they have also observed in future coming days also more concepts we are adding to the Java language to develop enterprise applications, to develop distributed applications to develop, database communication applications to develop. There are so many different features are required to make our Java language bigger. Then they decided to divide Java language into divisions. That is where the additions came into picture. Do you understand the story? Small story, got clarity? Tell me, can you guess and tell me why in Java addition names this number 2 is there? Show your talent. Guess. Why this number 2 is included? Because from which version these additions are started? 1.2. That's the reason 2 is there. Okay, now got clarity? Somebody asked me, sir, why 2 is there, sir? I am here for explaining everything only, na? Then why you don't have patience? The problem with you guys, if you are raising questions before I completed explanation, then whatever I am explaining, you will not listen. You keep on looking. You not tell that point. You not tell that point. You not explain that point. You are not replying to my questions. Babu, Buji online students, is it a one-to-one question? Is it a batch? Online students? What is your class strength? Online students? You feel that only you and me there in the class? Your class strength is 520 students. Okay? And offline 250 plus. Now, if you all people are asking the questions, then how can I continue class? Telegram group, sir. Indukura niku Telegram group? Worst fellow? Who is that? Prashant Gogneni? Why you want Telegram channel? You want to be Telegram marketing person? You are in the class for collecting Telegram channels, Google Classrooms, worst fellows. I am explaining you the topic seriously, and you guys are concentrating on other nonsense. It's create problem, buddy. Please concentrate on what I am explaining, okay? All you people understand why Java has additions. Why C language doesn't have additions? Why C++ doesn't have additions? Because C is meant for developing standalone application. C++ is also meant for developing standalone application. It has only few concepts. Then why you require division? Are you following my point? When we require division, if there are so many concepts, then finally, hope you got conclusion. Next question. Why Java FX doesn't have the number 2? Another question asked. Now tell me, why Java FX doesn't have 2? Anybody can guess and tell me? In which version Java FX is introduced? In Java 2 version. It came later. In the next versions it came. By the time Java FX came into market, already the number 2 is got removed from the editions. Then why the 2 will be here? Not there. This is called common sense. This common sense will come by analyzation. What the prerequisites to learn Java? If you don't put your common sense, if you don't bring your common sense, what the common sense? Listening to the class, understand, apply. Listen, reply, apply. If you don't implement, unnecessary, you will disturb the class and you will not understand. Okay, please try to concentrate. Come on again. Tell me, why the edition names contain 2? Because the Java editions are introduced from Java 1.2 version, because more concepts are added to the Java language. Okay, continuation right on these points. From Java 1.2 version onwards, we can develop complete internet application that is both client side and server side programs. What is the purpose of client side? What is the purpose of server side? I'll explain you. Don't expect everything to one day. Okay, slowly it will take some time. Because from Java 1.2, Java language has many concepts. Sun decided to divide Java concepts into small parts. Each part is named as called as what? Addition. Because these additions are introduced from Java 2 version or 1.2 version. Addition names contains the letter, the digit 2. There is no serious, importance of 2 in there. Yeah, I'm requesting online students, you should have a lot of control on you. You should sit properly in one place and listen class. Number 1. Number 2, don't allow other people to come into your room. If you are allowing other people come to your room, then they will come and disturb and you are missing the discussion. Problem will come. Number 3, don't ask unnecessary question in the middle of the discussion. You will miss the explanation. So that you will miss the analyzation and you will miss the points. You will not understand. Hold your temptation to ask the question. Feel you are in the classroom. Do you want to see my classroom? Online students? Go to YouTube. Type Harekrishna Sir classroom. Let me show you. All you guys completed offline students written? Yeah, I need to control these online students. Give me 1 second. Go to YouTube. Yeah, let me type here. Maybe different videos may come. Don't get scared, huh? YouTube.com. Search here what? Harekrishna Sir classroom. This is my classroom here. Hey, not this one. It's add 1 minute. Okay. Okay. This is our live class before Corona. Okay, now offline students, sorry, online students. Okay, yeah. Online student, offline, online student, you are here. Okay. How can you, how can you send the question from there to me? You have to wait till the class completed to ask the question, right? If you are posting the question in the chat window because you have a chat option, that means it's a bad manners, right? So this is what my classroom. Okay. So because of Corona, people are slowly now coming to Hyderabad. Okay. You will see this strength back in the coming days. Okay. That time I don't take online class, only offline class. Okay. Online, I hate online because of structure. Okay. Right. Come back. So hope you understood. Online students, you are somewhere in the middle of this group and you cannot post the questions as you like. Hold your temptation to ask the questions. All your questions will be answered definitely, because I have 17 years of experience. I know what questions you will get in your mind. Please listen. Come on, guys. Come on, tell me. So finally, what the clarity you got? How many editions are there in Java? 4 editions. First one is Java SC. Second, Java. Java. What are the initial names of Java editions? J2 SC, J2 E, J2 ME. What is the full form of J2 SC? Java 2 Platform Standard Edition. What is the use of it? For developing standalone and distributed applications. Okay, all people are say that standalone application. Yeah, a distributed application also comes under what? Standalone. Okay, now that's why generally people say standalone application. Okay, but I wanted to include that word also here, distributed application. Next point. J2E stands for what? Java 2 Platform Enterprise Edition. Are you looking at the screen and telling her, hey, don't read? Tell me what the purpose of J2EE? For developing web, enterprise and interoperable application. What the purpose of J2ME? J2ME stands for what? Java 2 Platform Micro Edition. What the purpose of J2ME? For developing mobile and embedded application, micro applications. Okay, tell me from which version onwards these editions are available? 1.2. In beginning version 1.0, 1.1, do you have edition concept? No. Why? Because Java supports only basic standalone applications and web support too. Web support too. Support too and an application that can be accessed from the internet is called what? Web support. We have an application in Java that will support accessing via web. That's why its name is called what? Web supportive application. Tell me, using Java 1.2, Java 1.1 and 1.2 version, can we develop server-side applications? No. Okay, from which version onwards we can develop? From Java 1.2 onwards only. So from 1.2 onwards, a full-fledged web application, nothing but internet application, we can develop both client-side and server-side. Because from 1.2 onwards, Java language become full-fledged application, full-fledged language to support all 3 kinds of application. What 3 kinds? Standalone, computer-based application, internet, computer-based application, also electronic device application. From Java 1.2 version onwards, Java language is become full-fledged programming language. That's why Java 1.2 onwards, Java language is also renamed as Java platform. A platform is nothing but a place we can do all works, all operations we can do. Now, by using Java 1.2 version onwards, we can develop all 3 types of application there in the market. That's why Java language is renamed as what? Java platform. These changes are introduced from which version? 2. That's why they have introduced the number here 2 to inform to all the people. From 2 version onwards, all these changes came. Up to now, understood? Any confusions? Are these points are important for you or not? Are you paying attention to learn? Are you feeling today is a demo class? Demo class is not there in class, in my class. I don't waste the time by teaching syllabus. Okay, na syllabus and next word that these blah 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 things I don't talk. From the day first, I will enter it into main subject only. People who are missing the previous classes, I will share you recording videos. Already this class is getting recorded. So I'm creating Google Classroom today. All the people are adding to that Google Classroom, and then all these recorded videos I will share there. You can watch. People who miss, only watch. Okay, now people who already attended, don't listen the class again. Read the given notes and sufficient. Okay, whatever I'm explaining the class, same thing I'm typing, nothing more, right? So don't watch the videos once again. If you miss the class, then only. Then immediate question, sir, everyday video you'll upload? No, only first 4-5 classes only I will record. Once the batch is closed, admissions are closed, then there onwards, no recordings. And even I don't record class also. Okay, na? Fine. I'll come back to the subject now. Tell me, Java 1.2 released in the market. With what name? Java na? Java platform. Java platform. Java is coming into the market as a 1 part or 3 parts. What are the 3 parts? J2SE, J2E, J2M. Okay. What is the current version? What is the time version number? Java 1.2. Java 1.2 has 3 editions: J2SE, J2E, J2ME. Okay. Java version number 1.2. Edition number 222. Matching. No problem. Listening? Very difficulty point I'm going to teach now. Horrible point I'm teaching. Please pay attention and reply. After few years, new version released to the market. Java 1.3. What are the edition names? J3SE, J3EE, J3ME. Apply your common sense and tell me. Array, why James Gosling has added that number 2 in the edition name to tell from which version these editions are introduced, right? Then the 2 is increased to 3, no. Version number 1.3, edition number 222. Is it not a confusion to the new beginner? Yes or no? Then the people who wanted to sell Java language in the market, they are going to different places in the world and giving seminars, giving the explanation about new features of Java. These features will help your application development easy and secure. Lot of features are there. You start using Java. To give the seminar, the people are going to the seminar room and started telling, hello, good morning everyone. Now Java latest version is 1.3. This Java 1.3 has a 3 edition, J2SE. What? Version number 3, edition number 2. What is this conflict? What is this 2 here? First you explain it. Okay. Then he has to tell the complete history, what happened, background of that 2. And after explanation this time, this much, maybe some people understand, maybe some people not understood also. Okay. Then the sales team, Java project, Java language sales team, going back to the James Gosling and telling, James Gosling, why that 2 remove? Or increase the number to 3. No, I added there for telling that these editions are coming from 2 versions. Who care about that from which version that edition came? Remove it. People are confusing. No, I don't want remove. Sir, next version came to market. What is the next version? Java 1.4. What is the edition number? 2. This is sales department already knows. The people are getting confusion. Then first they started telling Java 1.4 version has 3 divisions of Java, J2SE, J2EE, J2ME. Here the number 2 doesn't have any significance, doesn't have any importance. It is just telling that in which version these editions are given. Actually these editions are available from 1.2. Why from 1.2 Java divided into 3 edition? So on so reason, whatever the story I'm explaining, the same story people are telling for 15 minutes in the discussion. Are you catching my point? Then sales team again went back to the James Gosling and told, see Mr. James Gosling, to make the people to understand why the 2 is there in the edition, we are taking almost half an hour to give the seminar. The people are giving me only for 4 hours. In the 4 hours, half an hour I am spending for this nonsense discussion. Can you please next version, at least you remove this number, so that we can save our time and I can more concentrate on the features explanation instead of this history nonsense explanation. Then James Gosling agreed. Okay. In Java 5 version, now this edition, this version number is got removed from the edition and they have renamed it as what? Java SE, Java EE, Java ME. 1 second. Tell me, now the full form of Java SE is Java Standard Edition or Java Platform Standard Edition? Java Platform, you have to pronounce it as what? Java language name is not Java. Java language name is what? Java Platform. For shortcut, we are writing Java. Java Platform Standard Edition, Java Platform Enterprise Enterprise Edition, Java Platform Micro Edition. Tell me, in which version that numbers, digits, the version number is removed? 5. And renamed it to Java SE, Java EE, Java ME. All you people understand why the names are came Java SE like that? Next, Java 5 version, Java SE, Java 6, Java SE, Java 7, Java SE, Java 8 came into market. In Java 8 version, they have observed this desktop application or internet applications while developing, I need to prepare a lot of UI, user interface. Now you are buying the products and selling the products from one screen, right? The screen is called what? UI, user interface. Now onwards I'll pronounce as a shortcut UI. Okay. Now imagine app you open, then there you are seeing one screen. On that screen the what you call images are displayed, hyperlinks are displayed, text boxes are displayed, buttons are displayed, some content is displayed. This entire text and images and content to organize, we need some graphics, images, some look and feel, some extra efforts extra effects we required. That extra effects are not available in Java up to Java 7 version. Are you catching my point? In Java 8 version, they have added all these graphics and animations as a separate concept. What the target of Sun Microsystem? They don't want to mix all the concepts as a one unit. If you want more effects of developing the program, then download these features also. Otherwise, not required. Are you catching my point? So tell me, from Java 8 version onwards, one more addition is added to the Java language. What the addition name? Java FX. Actually, Java FX is available from Java 6 version only. Are you catching my point? From Java 6 version itself, Java FX is available, but market is not having awareness. Not much, that much awareness is not there, because that time Java FX you have to download separately. People are not knowing about it, not download separately. From Java 8 version onwards, this Java FX concepts are embedded as part of what? Java SE only. So if you download Java SE, then along with the Java SE, you're also getting what? Java FX. All are catching my point. In which version Java FX is given? Java 6 version. Now it is embedded as part of what? It is merged as part of what? Java SE. From which version? Java 8 version. All people understand? Again repeat. In which version additions are given? 1.2. In which version additions are available? 1.2. In which version the number digit 2 is removed? Java 5. In which version the 4th edition Java FX is given? Java 6 version. Are you catching my point? Then in which version Java FX is merged into Java SE? Java 8 version. All these points are required or not required? Very much required. Otherwise, you will get confused in the coming classes. Array, you wanted to learn about Java, but Java programming related additions knowledge, if you don't have, it's really what, and I should not say that. If somebody come and ask, who is your father, mother? If you say, I don't know, how much worst way? Right? Who is your parents? If you don't know, that's not a good way. Same way, if you don't know about these editions, versions, and which version, what the changes came, if you don't try to understand, don't try to remember, don't try to reproduce in the next classes, it become very much stupid worstity, right? So that's why please try to remember. It's a small statements only. Listen. In Java 8 version, Java FX concepts are added. Then tell me, Java SE software size is increased? Okay. If the people are using Java FX concepts in their applications development, keeping the Java FX concepts in the Java language is a Java SE software is useful. Java 8 version, Java 9 version, Java 10 version. In 3 versions, Java people are observing at least one project is developing by using Java FX. One project also not used to develop Java FX. Are you catching my point? Why? All projects, front-end screens are developing by using Java? No, they are developing by using HTML. Are you catching my point? You take Amazon, Flipkart, Paytm, any website you take, all these websites are developed by using Java 1. Every project has 2 parts, front end, back end. Front end means what you are seeing, with whom you are interacting is called what? Front end. What is the back end? Back end is the main project that process all your requests, buying, selling, all the operations are doing by background, back end process. That back end applications development by using Java, but front end applications are not developing by using Java nowadays. Are you catching my point? Nowadays, front-end applications are developing by using HTML. So, is anyone using Java FX? No. Then downloading Java FX is unnecessary, time waste and money waste and memory waste. Na? That's why in Java 11 version, Java FX is again separated. Totally, how many changes are happened to our editions? Understood? Java 1.0. Do you have any editions? No. 1.1. No. 1.2. Yes. 1.2, 3, 4. No changes. In Java 5, that edition number, version number is dropped. The next in Java 8 version, Java FX. No, Java 6 version. In Java 6 version, Java FX is introduced. In Java 8 version, Java FX is merged into Java SE and downloading. And Java 11 version, again Java FX is removed. Is everyone understood? Shall I ask one question? What is the latest edition name? Java. I'm not asking Java version number. I'm asking Java edition name. Edition names are what? Java SE, Java E, Java ME, and Java FX. But in Amirpet, we never follow Sun Microsystem. Sun Microsystem, whatever they want, they give. We always try to create my own Java, my own definition, my own architecture, my own versions, everything, my one. Finally, whose Java is coming? James Gosling Java na, Amirpet Java na. So in Amirpet, no one is calling Java SE. People are calling JSE, JWE, JME, JFX. Okay, na? Do you want it to pronounce like that? Please, you don't adopt that pronunciation. You try to adopt what? Java SE. Let me prove that is right or wrong. Look at here. Screen is not visible. If I show the screen is visible, Rabbi. I am doing revision, Rabbi. Why you want screen? Okay, look at here. I'm typing JSE. Searching in the Google for JSE. Press enter. What came? Java came. Jamshedburg Stock Exchange anta. What is that? Johannesburg. Sorry. Johannesburg Stock Exchange. Where is Java? Look at, scroll down. At least one link related to Java? No. Okay. You want to see? JE. What came? It is showing Telugu white above. Share the page. English. Translate. Try again. Okay, let it be. Now tell me, what you are getting? JEE mains exam, right? Join. You wanted to go for intermediate exams to join? No, right? Are you catching my point? Are this pronunciation right or wrong? Wrong. JME. Aha, super. Who is coming? Mr. Singer coming. JME, there is a one singer about YouTube. Music singer is there. What's his name? Musician and a JME musician. So finally, what I'm trying to request you, please don't take that words. Okay? What is the correct word? Java SE. Look at there. Java downloads page is coming or not? Where are you going? Java ME. Java platform micro edition. Java EE. Java platform enterprise edition. Java FX. Open jfx.com. Java FX is an open, so something. Finally, you got Java page or not? Yes. So finally, hope you understand the different changes happen in the editions. Okay. Shall I write up all the points? Fast. Check. Let us write. Because these editions are introduced from Java 1.2 version, edition names contains the digit 2. Tell me. because these number or a digit, whatever say, 2 is confusing to beginners. In Java 5 version, this digit 2 is removed and and editions names are renamed as Java SE, Java EE, Java ME. You can write if you want, you write, otherwise you can leave it. Java platform standard what is spelling standard, correct enough? Sometimes I'll forget spellings. Java platform standard edition. The next Java platform enterprise edition. Why is not coming up? Online students, is my voice coming? Next, Java ME, Java platform micro edition. Next, in Java, which version? 6 version, new edition, Java FX. Array, I'm not YouTube video to play continuously, Array. Sujit Kumar. When people are writing, I'll talk. I'll not talk, right? In the middle, if the voice is stopped, that means I'm not talking. Common sense. In Java 6 version, new edition, Java FX, small fx, is introduced for developing with the introduced with the concepts for developing what? For developing a rich graphical user interface applications. Generally, people are calling RIA applications. Okay, na? Then in a Java 8 version, 1 minute, sir. Java X full form is what? Java FX stands for Java FX. In Java 8 version, Java FX is included in Java SE and downloaded along with along with Java SE software. In Java 11 version, it is separated from Java SE and make it to download separately. Because no one is using Java FX for developing client-side applications. Okay, it is means who? Java FX. Maybe you confuse. Java FX is separated from Java SE and make it to download separately because line number 50 ans left. Now, where did you went, Anna? Charan Sai, no. Uday Kumar, where did you go, Bhaiya? Made it. In modern web applications, client side UI programs are developed by using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Angular. Okay. So hope all you people understood the history of Java, complete Java knowledge. Tell me now. Can you please answer my question? For a developing standalone application, which software we have to download? Java SE. For a developing web applications or web applications or enterprise applications, we have to use Java EE. Can I use only Java EE? Only just by downloading Java EE, is it sufficient to develop web applications? No, we should also download Java SE. Without Java SE, Java EE will not work. I told you, na. If you want to develop a project, what you require? Java SE. Complete Java SE is meant for developing projects. Web application or internet application is meant for only accessing this standalone application through internet. So for developing project, we required what? Java SE. In order to access this project from other computers via internet, what we required? Java EE. So can I say Java EE is developed on top of Java SE. So for a developing standalone application, just Java SE software is sufficient. For Java EE, For web applications to develop, we need to install two softwares, both Java SE software and also Java EE. Both we require. Got clarity? Yeah? Remember that point. No need to write that point. Okay. So hope these points gave you knowledge of complete Java details. What is Java? Why Java? Okay. Who invented Java? What are the different types of applications we can develop using Java? Okay. This is the point number 5. And this is point number 6. Okay, let me not disturb the point. Then under point number 6, why we have different editions, in which version which edition is given, what are the changes in each version. Hope you all comfortable now. Okay, tell me why you are here in here for learning, developing only standalone application. No, for a developing web application. That means if you learn only Java SE, nothing but Core.Java, can you get job? No. You should also learn what? Advanced Java also, web application development. Okay. Then these words are not there in Amirpet. If you go and say that, if you write in your resume, I know Java SE, I know Java EE, no one understand. You know, initially when I was started Java, after 5-6 batches completed, I realized that the word Core.Java is wrong. Then I have announced batch like Java SE, J2 at the time, J2 SE, na Java SE not there. J2 SE, new batch, J2 SE by Harekrishna, evening 6 p.m. Okay, how many students are there in the class? Me only there. Me and my admin is there. Then I surprised why people not come to the class. Then I asked the counselor to call to the each student, ask why the students didn't come to the class. Then they replied, when you start Java, we are waiting for Harekrishna Sir Core.Java batch. When you started? Array, yesterday, today onwards batch started, and why didn't you come? Hey, that is J2 SE batch, no? Are you catching my point? So that is J2 SE. Array, J2 SE means Core.Java only. Auna. Okay, we are thinking that there is a separate course, separate technology. Then I realized, don't play with the students. Okay, then again I announced Core.Java new batch. Then new students came, batch filled. Okay, so I want to make you realize you have to work like a Amirpet student. Also, you should work like a high-tech city student. In high-tech city, Core.Java, advanced Java will not use. As part of our project development, we will use what the words? Java SE, Java EE. These words we will use. Got my point? So that's why you have to remember it. And can I add one more word? Already theory, too much theory, na? One last word. One last word, please, please, write down. In the year, I guess 2020. I didn't remember exactly the year. Just write down now enough, okay? In which year I didn't remember exactly. That's why just I want to say now. Now, Java EE name is not Java EE. Java EE name got changed. Now Java EE name is not Java EE. It is Jakarta EE. What is the name? Jakarta EE. Oracle Corporation has given Java EE maintenance to Eclipse organization. Oh, there is a big story behind. Okay, I don't want to talk all the nonsense. You will not understand. Oracle Corporation has given. Why Oracle Corporation came into picture? Why Java is now handled by whom? Oracle Corporation. Oracle Corporation has given Java EE maintenance to Eclipse organization. Eclipse organization has renamed Java EE as Jakarta EE to show their identity. When a hotel management is got changed, then hotel name is got changed, no? Can I write shortcut here? Eclipse org. Org means organization. So tell me the latest version names. Now I want to write complete details about the version names. Java 1.0. What the version name? Java, sorry, J2 SE, J2 EE, J2 ME. So today theory classes are completed. Okay, tomorrow no theory, fully we will enjoy. Will you come by remembering all these points? UI means user interface. Java 5 version. What are the new names? Java SE, Java EE, Java ME. Java 6 version. Really very important, sir. Don't ignore. Please practice at home by heart and come. New edition came. What is that? Java FX. Latest. I don't say latest version, just latest. The new names. Let's say new names. Final new names. What is that? Java SE. Jakarta. EE. There is no change in Java ME. And then Java FX. Sorry. This is 1.2 array. You are seriously writing whatever I am typing. Avinash, thank you. Nishant. Avinash, thank you. Ravi, you already told. Okay. Thank you. I didn't watch. I didn't notice that. Offline students, you are seriously writing. So what is the mission? Write notes. This is latest version name or latest edition name, sir? Edition name. So whatever I am typing mistakes, you are writing as it is. Last conclusion point. Very trend. Last conclusion point. What is the point number 7? Above names are comes under what? Sun Microsystem complete Java. 7th point. Amir paid complete Java. That's very important, sir. Amir paid complete Java. Core.Java, Advanced Java. Actually, earlier we too have J2EE also. I want to add that one also. What the meaning of J2EE also I will tell. 5, 6, 7. Ananta Krishnan, yeah, you can create video games by using Java FX. Restful 1L, I guess. Okay. Now, as I told you, today, tomorrow, we are going to discuss about complete Java details and then following by project design architectures. Okay. So today I completed complete Java details. I need to spend more 15 to 20 minutes time on from where these words are coming. what these words are talking. I required more 5 to 10 minutes of the time that I don't cover today. Tomorrow I will discuss. Okay, na? Right. So tomorrow I'm going to give you from where this core Java came, from where this advanced Java came, from where this J2E came, I will explain. By tomorrow class completed, you are going to get clarity on project architecture. What are the different courses you have to learn as a fresher and as a experienced person, and what is the order you have to do those courses, what the duration of that courses you have to learn. Okay na? By tomorrow class completed, you will get full picture on number 1 your career, number 2 Java course, number 3 project architecture. Okay, and different courses you have to learn. So after these topics completed, then I will start programming. Hello world program. What is Java? Why Java? Which Java? When Java? Okay, how to write a addition program, subtraction program, all the nonsense will start. Is this clear to all? Any confusions today class? Did you enjoy at least 5%? Better than yesterday? No need to enjoy. I just wanted to know, is it better than yesterday? First day to second day to third day. Are you getting improved? Accepting the words? Are you working on? Listen, reply, remember, applying? Okay. Today class, can you apply anywhere? No, no. You have to apply above. How? Come on again. Yesterday I told you, you have seen mobile apps. And tell me, that mobile app is a standalone application or internet application? You should tell now. Oh, this is a standalone application. This is standalone application in Java. We develop by using Java SE. Acha, okay. Next, this Java SE application background, it is connecting to internet. Through that internet, it is calling one program running in the server. Array server program, you send me the details. That server program is developed in Java by using Java EE. Okay, na? This front screen, the images and graphics and all, if you develop in Java, we use Java SE and Java FX, but nowadays it is developed by using HTML. So will you try to talk? So today class, all these points again you have to apply with yesterday knowledge. Okay, where Java SE, where Java E you have to see. Okay, by today we have completed full theory. Come on, without theory, can I enter it into program? Not possible, right? First theory little bit you have to understand, then with these words, then I'll introduce tomorrow project. Straight away tomorrow I'll introduce project. Tomorrow I don't want to talk advanced Java, all those things first. Okay, core Java, advanced Java, from where Java SE, from where it came, all I will talk later. Okay, so tomorrow straight away I am launching project architecture. What the different parts are there in the project, each part purpose is what, how they are connected, how they are going, I will explain you tomorrow with Gmail architecture. Ready? How the Gmail is working, how the phone pay is working, how Facebook is working, how the Google is working. So I'm going to take the examples, live examples I'm going to explain. So don't miss tomorrow class at any cost. Do you need to pay any money tomorrow? Free. Again, I come and sit in the class. Okay, some students are there, still have a doubt. This fellow is only teaching theory. Will he teach program or not? When he will teach hello world program? My sir in the college taught second day only program. First day introduce all, hello, how are you? Second day what? Directly program. But this fellow not started. Today third class, but still program not started. Because you learn program second day, that's why he came to Amirpet again. Right? If I also teach program in second day, then after course complete, you will go to Amberpet? No, no. So you have to learn everything in a systematic way. Please believe me and follow me. Thank you. That's all for today class. See you all tomorrow. Good night. Online students, tomorrow also join class by using same link. Deepak, next classes you will understand difference between distributed and interoperable. Five version. 7 p.m. no use. 11, 11 you come. 7 a.m. just juniors. Just juniors there. I mean, yeah, you will reach them very, very quick. Then 11 a.m. only possible. 11 a.m. only possible. 7 a.m. they are just junior. Data types going on. If you have any subject questions, ask me. Otherwise, talk to admin. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, online students, please wait. I'll reply to your questions. Come this way. దూరం నుండి మాట్లాడండి నోట్లో పెట్టి మాట్లాడలేదు ఐ కెన్ హియర్ మై ఇయర్స్ వర్క్ అవుతాయి బాగానే ఎన్నింటికి వదలాలి కుదిరితే వదులుతా ఆ సబ్జెక్ట్ టాపిక్ అవ్వకపోతే ఎలా వదిలిపెట్టేది మధ్యలో వదలలేను కదా ఆపలేను కదా రైట్ ask admin, they will tell you what to do. Outside admin is there, na? Talk to admin, he will help you. Okay. Yeah, you can come to IT field, no problem. No problem. Hmm. 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 Different. That's what I'm saying. Placements are different. We will conduct one exam, screening test exam. I don't know whether it is there or not. Check with the office people. Every month we will conduct screening test exam. People who pass that exam, they can get job. Or with the subject knowledge I gave, you can search for the job yourself by outside. I'll make you ready for the jobs within 3 months. So you have to start searching for the jobs by your own. Or with the help of Naresh IT, check with them how to get. Hmm. If I got any company references, I will send your details to that company. If some companies will approach me, I want some candidates. So with these exams who performing well, okay, I will select their resumes and I'll forward. Okay. No, I don't have idea. Any other questions? No idea. Akshay Kumar, I am Core.Java faculty, man. Why you are asking HTML, CSS, JavaScript? Talk to a class admin, man. Right? Degree, huh? ఇప్పుడే జాయిన్ అయిపోండి కోర్జావా ఇప్పుడు నేర్చేసుకోండి బెటర్ ఉంటుంది కాలేజీలో ఏం ప్లేస్మెంట్స్ వస్తే ఈజీగా వస్తుంది జాబ్ ఏం జరగలేదు కాబట్టి ఏం రాయలేదు రే యార్ ఇప్పుడు ఈ రోజు కింద పడ్డానంటే నిన్న పడలేదని అడిగితే ఎలాగా? అడిగే క్వశ్చన్లన్నీ అలాగే ఉంటాయి ఇంద్రస్వామి. Laptop not required. Siba Prasad Samal, as of now not required. Okay. Once the programming started, you should have laptop, right? Okay. So I'm not understand what question you asked. Teach. Yeah, copy me enough. However, I'm teaching, same way you also teach. Problem solve. Depends on your experience. Depends on the way you are telling. How much salary you're expecting, that is my salary. You can add whatever the number you want. Okay. Okay, now guys, online students, any other questions? చెప్పండి సార్. మీరు ఫ్రెషర్గా జాబ్ కావాలా, ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్గా కావాలా? ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అయితే ఫుల్ స్టాక్ పని కాదు. ఓకే, భరత్, Bashrath, for becoming test engineer, you should learn Core.Java and Selenium. Okay. Only check with admin. Admin. That permissions are there with him. No, I'm not saying they will give. You check with him. If he give, you can take. Okay. Yeah. Tomorrow you contact. Tomorrow when you are coming into the classroom, one person will be there outside. Okay, check with him. You cannot get job as a fresher. You have to try as an experience. With 1 or 2 years of gap experience, you have to try. Check with admin. Go to office, ask them. I'm not comes under full stack. Okay. Arey, you guys are online students. What questions you are asking, man? Which operating system required for Java? What stupid question you are asking, buddy? Surya, what did you listen today and yesterday classes? You can use any operating system. Yeah, Sneha, you can get job. Okay. Yeah, Blessy, you can get job as a non-IT. Even though you are non-IT, you can get job as an experienced person. Arey, your career related questions I will address tomorrow. Subject related, you have any questions, ask today. I told you already, by tomorrow class completed, your career related all questions will be answered. I have these many years gap, what to do. I'm electrical background, what to do. Everything will be answered in tomorrow class. Okay. Gautami, full stack Java, you will not get depth subject. So you have to choose individual courses. What is the difference between full stack Java and normal Java? I will also tell tomorrow. Okay. Then you will get clarity. Surya, did you miss yesterday class? Then why you are asking that question? Yeah, if not understand, leave it. Coming classes will understand. Okay, guys. See you all tomorrow. Good night. Yeah, admin number I'll give tomorrow.